Pansy Kid Middle School is a trauma-informed, arts-focused integration school. So we train to focus on the needs of students. We recognize kids that have dealt with trauma, and we come at their problems uniquely. DonorsChoose is basically a program where you can invite people in your community, obviously people from OG&E, other places, to help you fund that. My program was called Lego the Stress. We saw that Legos and putting things together and focusing and even working as a team, they could calm their emotions enough to address what's going on so that we could reflect on that and then move forward.
The Legos help me calm down whenever I'm like angry or I'm scared.
It's like kind of calming.
We are seeing so many improvements and so many pluses in our school that it's pretty exciting. Honestly, I just can't thank them enough. It is everything. It really just shows you that they're trying to support what we're doing, and it kind of validates me and my kiddos because they know that the community and people are supporting you. And that just makes them realize that what they're doing is also important.